YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. I know it's been a minute. I haven't been on YouTube. I'll explain later. I'm in a rush right now. We are heading to Swerv Fest, aka Swerv's block party in Orlando, Florida. So let me get on the road. Make sure you guys check the drip out too one time. Oh, Gunshot State.
I be hitting all the spots.
I made it to the spot, man.
Always felt like you were so. Girl, when the ballet pull the pins up, off to the crib, started where we
Famous guy. Stuck on the frame. Yo, the Ghostbusters mobile? Oh no. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Real man's car. Oh, this shit right hand drive, man. See, this has been the color I've been looking at to paint my shit or wrap it. Like a silver blue. I've been looking at that same color. Oh my God. This is all I could dream for. No, the motor and the car. Painted bay, paint match bay. Smell good, right? That shit is gas. Damn.
Just like a kid kissing my dick.
Manual, by the way, manual swap. Bro, I love me some Graham lights, bro. Stick too. I like this color. What the fuck? That shit got a fucking DQ in it, nigga. DQ swap F15, what the fuck?
I'm on fire, hot to my legs. Soldier boy told me and my compadres. That's so dick, big girls on dick.
I seen this nigga's Instagram yesterday. Nah, the Nismos and Chrome go hard. It's Chrome. I like that. Oh, that shit. Man, this is the rich section. I knew I smelled it. I see. Hold on. You look. Drag pack? I see why he parked over here. You with the fast guys. Chillin', chillin', chillin'. I'm about to get copyrighted with all this music, nigga. Yo, YouTube, I used to be in love with Mitsubishi FTOs, bro.
Jello beat, holla at me.
Niggas is in a fucking parking garage now. Look, guys. I'm on top of the world. Hey, I can see my house from here.
Hey! I see the world!
I'm on top of the world. MJZ swap 350G. This shit is clean.
Yeah, they know general missions down here. Yeah.
Can't take these niggas nowhere, bro. Can't take these niggas nowhere, bro.
Let's go out the window.
Nah, you're bugging.
You said you went to the 7th.
Come to Mango so you can get your pum pum stuff up.
Oh, sorry.
B-dubs? With it.
B-dubs.
Oh,
Wow, press the button.
We going to the top.
Yo, you're bugging. Gotta push the button. It's not even closing before. Oh.
Yo, nigga.
Why did you click?
Why would you click the alarm, nigga?
Yo, why?
Oh, it's stopping at every one now, bro.
7-4. Yeah, that's where we at, right? 6 trying to cover, eh?
I ain't gonna lie, I clicked all the buttons, boy. We stopping at every single one.
you clicked all the buttons!
So we're gonna stop at 9. Check down.
We're gonna go to the ceiling, nigga.
R for race.
No,
I'm getting out. I'm getting out.
Now we're going
No, we're going down! Oh! Nigga, we back in the same fucking spot. Get Evo, get Evo. Uncle got VIP in the spot. Fuck. I need one in my life. That shit look good. Viper. Rich guys. R34. R34. R33. NSX. 300ZX.
Come back on, so sorry, 'cause there's no room in my bed, I'm okay. Someone else is getting love me. If you want me so desperately, you should say it.
I love this fucking car, bro. I see that shit all the time. Good GTRs. Good VQs. Good. We in the rich section, boys. A glizzy gobbler.
Just wait till he puts it in his mouth.
Glizzy gobbler in effect.
Never seen something so beautiful. Wow, it's dripping. Be careful. You got a white shirt. You drop your napkins back there.
Per person. Peters!
This nigga's a fucking menace to society, bro.